Record.
You, so, okay, I'll just show you. Order management, GOP. GOP configuration started right on Friday. So this collection
Okay, sir.
submitted. Um, so this completed and ATP also sourcing rule completed. Assignment set completed. ATP rules also completed. Now go to setup and maintenance. Go to open search, search. Admin profile. So I was already created one assignment set, right? So this one, default assignment set. So this we can maintain always one only. So HN set I defined. So now somebody already created JSR assignment set. Now if I update with my HN set, so who created this? That person will face the problem. So you people also don't create new. Use the same HN set. Under that, add your sourcing rule. Okay? Don't change this one.
If
This is
it's
the
different instance, we can create Narsan if you're using a
uh,
different link.
yes. There also in demo instance where will be global promising something value that you use it instead of
Okay,
creating.
okay,
Otherwise, you do one thing. You just find this profile option, which value is there. That find in the GOP. Under that, create your assign your sourcing role. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
7 plus done. And next one, go back to ATP rule. One thing we missed actually, we defined, but not assigned item. So ATP rule was created. HN. So this one we are using supply chain availability search, enabled supply types and demand types. Under second tab, ATP rule assignment, this one missing. Here, item and organization. Organization, Hyderabad. Item. So directly organization also you can select, no problem. So I cannot repeat this many times, right? Yeah, I have two items, that's okay. So for the Hyderabad, item combination, item and organization combination given. For the Bangalore, directly I'm giving organization level. Save, save and close. So now GOP configuration completed. So this regular process actually. So every day we'll schedule this collections. This will run data, whatever parameters, attributes we enable, supply, demand, and it will calculate the shipment schedule date. But from OM side, we need to run the another request, another job. What is the job name? Go to schedule process, schedule new process. Refresh and start order promising server. This is the another job. Refresh and start the order promising server. Now, so this data, it will collect GOP and start in order management. Okay. So you can enable what are the data you want to maintain, enable in uh, refresh in order management. I'm enabling all. Plan names not defined anything. Select submit. Okay. So this both will schedule in real time in production environment. Every day, one time, two time, based on business requirement, we'll schedule it. This one also, it will take time. It will not complete immediately. Why? Because in real production environment, so we'll have a more data. But here it will complete quickly, I think. So here nothing much
So
data
this
is.
is a collection plan, sir, actually.
Collections will run in GOP.
Okay.
Whatever updates done in GOP, that we need to refresh, maintain in order management. So this program will run in OM.
Okay. So generally, we have ASCP as a different instance.
No,
So,
that's ASCP. This is not ASCP, no.
okay, okay,
EPS also
okay,
run collections in ATP and ASCP.
okay.
ASCP, it is not mandatory every time in every implementation maintaining that.
Right, sir. Yeah, only if
Uh,
planning is implemented, they will use that.
then ATP you can implement it without ASCP.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So
Got
that
it. Got it.
right. This GOP equal to ATP collections. ATP. Uh,
Okay, sir. Yeah, I
uh,
got your point. Yeah.
it got warning. Why it got warning? Refresh and start order promising server. Got warning. What is the reason? You can here logs, you can find it like this. So few succeeded. Maybe some may get warning. Uh, Nothing error here. Mm, The customer submit request for phase one. Generate entities customer. In phase two, item supplier capacity network been submitted. So here it is succeeded, so that's okay. I don't find any reason here why it got warning. All it is showing succeeded in the log. Okay, now what will happen? Um, so earlier, system was not shown when I was creating a sales order and finding the warehouse in sales order, which was not shown, right? Now check it, verify it, whether this sales order warehouse is coming or not in sales order. Okay. This pricing issue is not cleared. I don't know what is the reason. Okay, select that. So then go to shipping details. So this tab here, shipping method defined, right? So this one, HN DHL air. So this one here, warehouse was not shown earlier. Today it is available. So reason is collection submitted, order promising server also submitted. So next what? That's okay. So now if successfully price is defaulted, so you can able to save and submit. So here it is pricing related this one only. See, matching price list cannot be found for this transaction. So this is my strategy, but it is not. It is not finding. It is showing, but when you verify the setup, Once again, we will verify it. Go to pricing strategy, manage pricing strategy, HN underscore pricing strategy, edit. See, we are already attached my price list, but message was showing um, it is not associating. I will put this one start date residence also given. It's search by one time price by line only sales price. Correct, actually, this one. So here all items price also you can define it by A1. Each or which one we selected for A1 or each for the item?
Which one only, sir?
A1 or this one?
No, below one, sir. Below one.
This one only, right?
Yes, yes.
Mm. Correct, actually. One time sales price. Also selected all items. Pricing strategy assignment. This one we define. So actually, I wanted to use for all documents. That is the reason here not specified in my case. Okay. not coming. Okay, that we'll see. So next what we created sales order, but how this sales order flow will work? Here, so after submitting, so this will get status awaiting shipping. Then will perform picking and shipping. Then will generate AR invoice, right? How this will work based on the order orchestration. Okay. So this is the mechanism actually. Then so this is important setup actually, key setup in order management. Order orchestration. This is equal to workflow in EBS order management. Go to orders. Here come down. So here order orchestration process definitions. Just search with DOO, distributed order orchestration. See, whatever start with the DOO, all are the seeded, predefined orchestration processes, workflows. We can say if you are having some EVS experience, yes, you will understand it's a workflow. So this orchestrations, workflows will drive the cycle steps. What are the cycles? What are the steps should follow? So this one say DOO, order fulfillment generic process. So in EBS also same order flow generic, right? Something like that. Line flow generic. These are all seeded workflows. Here DOO, order fulfillment generic process. Almost equal naming convention also. So under this, here listed the different steps, step name. So first it will schedule it. Then there is the conditions. Based on conditions, it will request for supply, either creating purchase requisition, right? Purchase order. See, same workflow we use for standard sales order, back-to-back sales order, and dropship sales order. Same, this will work. So based on the conditions, it will request for supply. So then it will generate the either back-to-back shipment, and based on that it will generate purchase order. So after creating purchase order, receiving, create the reservations. Then we'll ship it. Then we'll create invoice. If it is standard sales order, schedule, directly reserve, and pick and ship, then invoice. There will not be any supply. So again, this supply may create purchase requisition, purchase order, or if item is make item, so it will create work order also, manufacturing work order also. And other see here, bill only means once order is created, submitted, there will not be any picking and shipping. Directly, system will generate receivable invoice. This is what bill only. So integrated subscription only. So when implement this subscription management, see, orchestration process that creates subscription contracts through integration with Oracle subscription management. This should be used with the integrate order management with subscription management. So subscription management is the different module. When implemented, so then we can, anyway, I haven't involved in this, just understanding I am giving you. If not implemented the subscription management and all, we will not use all this. Okay. So order fulfillment generate process with prepayment. So this one is receive confirmation for free payment before fulfilling the order. So we'll collect the orders from customers. So that confirmation receive, then this order process will be started. So this is especially for drop ship and back-to-back flows. We use this. And this one, again, subscription management. So schedule ship invoice. Use the schedule ship and invoice task when you ship from your warehouse. And also this one also another orchestration is there. So this one again subscription RMA. Why RMA related not showing? See process here, ship order. Generally we use ship order for shipping. Return order class. Why return order class not show? Let me. So this for RMA, return material authorization. Okay, so this one return, this is also generic process. Return order generic process. Here also steps create receiving advice, wait for receiving, then invoice, credit memo. Then later I will pay to customer. This one, there will be again, instead of pay the amount, so I'll again replace the item, exchange the item. So that also we can do with RMA. Okay. Now, If you want, you can utilize the seeded orchestration. If not support this, you can customize it this way. Say there is bill only generic schedule, say schedule pick and ship, create invoice, wait. So here difference is what? Their reservations, a step is missing, right? Not available. If reservation step not included in this orchestration, GOP configuration is not required. You no need to run the collections. You no need to run the order promising server. If I use this orchestration process. See, sometimes in interview they ask you, can we process the order cycle without the GOP? Yes. How? So in this orchestration, just remove that step as create reservations. Then this GOP configuration, it is not required. But if you use that, another not this one. Drop, ship, and back to back. See, if you use this orchestration process, here create reservations are there. So this I can use for both, not only for back-to-back dropship, I can use for standard sales order also, this workflow orchestration. But here it is there. So in this case, you must maintain the ATP. What is that? GOP. Okay. Now, how system will see here also some seeded many orchestrations are there, but which one system follow the orchestration? Which orchestration system will follow? For that, you no need to always create order type. Without order type also, we can maintain what is that? Process assignment. Okay. So here there is one more setup. Where is that? Order assignment rule for sales order. That is the setup actually. Why it is not showing here? Mhm. Orchestration process. Assignment rules for sales order. That should be like that task. This is not the one. So you do one thing. First, you create the order type. I'll show you based on order type how we can create. So go to order lookups. Here you will find the uh, order type lookup. Line types, order type, this one. So line type wise also you can assign it. This one also. Um, many different options are there actually in EBS. Always will define based on order type, but here many other ways to we can assign orchestration. That is possible. Here order type. Section standard sales order. Like this, we can create it. HN underscore standard sales order. HN underscore drop ship. Drop ship order. So likewise, you can create save and close. Now, what happened? It was on some message. Okay, who are they? Now, how system follow when I select this order type so and so orchestration process? I'll search in this is the open search order assignment rules for sales order. Order assignment rules. Just not seeing. This one. Manage process assignment rules for sales order. Assigning orchestration not only on order type, there are many customer, business unit, category, many based on different attributes, we can associate this orchestration process. So here already one it is there. You can use this, otherwise you can create a new rule. enter rule name. HN standard sales order rule. Okay. And description also you can maintain. Now here, if condition, then condition. If attribute order type. If order type is equal to standard sales order. If order type is equal to standard sales order, then condition, do condition, process name equal to process name is set to this one, DOO schedule SIP invoice. Now you clear, right? It is very simple setup here. It is not simple, but I am creating one simple rule. If order type is equal to this, system should follow this orchestration process. That's it. But if you observe it, there are many different if conditions, else conditions, do conditions, many are there. Select OK. Now in sales order, if I select this order type, system will follow this orchestration. That's it, simple. Save it. Close. Now this one, still this in grayed out, it is inactivate. Click on this. Yeah, directly click on this box. Yeah. So here, select start. If any date, if you want, you can enable activate rule. Select OK. Save and close. Now see, it changed to some green color. That means it is in active status. After that, you must select this publish. So this action will be published. All drop changes to production system. Say yes. So now what I did, I defined process assignment rule for the sales order with the seeded predefined orchestration process. Now close it. Now if you create sales order, you must specify this order type. If order type is not selected, system will not know which orchestration should follow. See, now I'm selecting standard sales order. Now system will pick the particular orchestration process. Without this order creating without order type, system will not default any orchestration. But sometimes order type I will not select, but orchestration is defaulted. How? Maybe in orchestration assignment rules, they created based on business unit. They created based on customer. So based on that also we can do, but this feature is not available in EBS. Always EBS should follow based on order type. But here, workflow based on order type only, always will maintain workflows in EBS. But here you can use any other attribute also to default the workflows orchestration. So that is one advantage here. Okay, today here I'll stop the session. We'll continue tomorrow. Any questions?
Ravi instance
I
is not
updated.
working.
Yeah, already updated.
Yeah.
Updated.